Alright, let me help you sound more natural in English. Stop using basic words all the time. Let's upgrade them. First one. Instead of saying I'm very tired, just say I'm exhausted. Like, bro, I'm exhausted after work. Next, don't say very angry. Say furious. I was furious when he lied to me. Now listen, instead of very scared, say terrified. I was terrified when I heard that noise. Another one, don't say very big. Say massive. That house is massive. And the opposite, don't say very small. Say tiny. This phone is tiny. Now if someone is smart, don't say very smart. Say brilliant. She's a brilliant student. Let's be honest, instead of very bad, say awful. The movie was awful food time. Don't say very tasty, say delicious. This food is delicious weather. Instead of very cold, say freezing. It's freezing outside. And last one, don't say very hot, say boiling. It's boiling today. That's it. Start using these, and you'll sound way more natural.